Hello, today we are going to cover the operating procedures for the ATHC food warming and holding cabinet. Begin by turning the unit on. For food warming and holding without any humidity, set the unit to hold. Then begin by turning the temperature knob to 10 to allow the unit to preheat. Once the warming cabinet is at the desired temperature, in this case 150 degrees Fahrenheit, slowly turn the temperature knob down until you see the indicator light go out. If the product you are holding in the cabinet needs to be in a humid environment, moisture can be added to the cabinet. Begin by filling the inner pan with warm water until you are about half an inch from the top of the pan. Once the pan is full, close the door and switch the unit to proof. Then turn the temperature knob all the way to 10 and the moisture knob all the way to 10. The cabinet will begin to preheat and create steam. Once the cabinet is heated to the desired temperature, slowly turn the temperature and moisture knobs down until the indicator lights go out. Thank you for watching this training video.